Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So the last thing that we're going to see is forms, how they work, what they have inside, what are some of the elements that constitute a form, and then after that we're going to be working in the lab to practice all the stuff that we have seen. So as I said, most of the times when you go to social media website or even Google, we saw that this where you type is an input, and we also have forms. So actually, let's go to Twitter. Let's see if we can find inspecting Twitter source code. If we can find the form element. So this is where you can start typing a new tweet. Now I'm gonna right click here. I'm gonna inspect. Let's see. So, I think it went away. This is interesting. It went away because as I enter my developer tools, this is what this is called. When you open this to see the source code of a website, they're called the developer tools, and this is just one. We have a few of them, like console, sources, etc. In this case, we want to inspect the elements. I think the form went away because this website has a setting that it says when the screen is not too wide to move some stuff around or basically readapt the website to be able to work in a smartphone, for instance. So this is what happened here, where I selected the form, but because opening this on the left side occupied that space, this form was just removed, like this input text, or actually this one. So, okay, to show you that, what I will need to do is, you see that when I do this, this is going to disappear. Oh, my computer is a little bit slow. Yeah, you see it now, it disappeared. This is because websites, most of the good websites, you want to make them so that they work on your laptop but also on your phone. This is what is called as, this is known as responsive design. You want your website to respond to whatever screen size you're looking at, or whatever screen size your website is being visited from. And this is something that we're going to get to see. But so for now, I'm just going to change these from the developer tools from being on the right side. I'm going to put it at the bottom. If I click on these three dots, I can switch where the developer tools will appear. I want them to appear at the bottom for now, just so that it shows me where I can type my tweet. Now I have this. So this is what I want to inspect. So I'm going to do a right click, inspect, and we have this div here. Let's see. Oops. Let's inspect again. I want to see if this has a form. This should have a form at some point. Let's go here, span, true. This is where my text is. So it seems like it's not here. So let's go up, down, sort of. We have this div. Div, by the way, stands for division. It's another tag that HTML is, as I will say, is the simplest of tags. It just allows you to divide content into different sections. It doesn't do anything by default other than it's a block element, so it occupies the entire width of the page, and because of that, it also creates a line break before it and after it, but that's the only thing that it does. The div doesn't do much. It is, again, just a division for when we want to divide the content in different sections. So if I go to like this division or this div, I could keep going up to kind of see who the parent of that div is, and oftentimes that has another parent. So that's what I'm doing here. I hope to find a form. I might be wrong, but let's see. Let's keep going. There's this div is still that one. That one. Say that again. I could do Command F to try to search for a form. Yes, but I